Hey, this is What's Next. Today, we're diving into AI productivity hacks in Airtable. If you're looking to supercharge your workflow and save hours each week, you're in the right place. No hype, just practical tips to revolutionize how you use this powerful tool. In this video, we'll explore built-in AI features, smart automations, and dynamic dashboards. We'll show you how Airtable's AI, called Omni, can turn your natural language into fully functional apps. So let's jump right in. Our first hack is the AI native app builder. Imagine talking directly to your database and watching it come to life. With Omni, you can do just that. Simply open a chat in Airtable and say something like, "Create a task tracker with due dates and progress bars." Boom, your base is instantly built. It's like having a personal app developer at your fingertips. Moving on to hack 2, smart automations with AI workflows. Airtable's built-in automations are powerful on their own, but when you add AI to the mix, it's a game changer. You can also connect with tools like Zapier or Make for even more possibilities. Picture this: a form submission triggers a Slack notification, which then updates the task status in Airtable. All automatically, this kind of setup can slash hours off your admin work each week. Now, let's talk about hack 3, AI-enhanced KPIs in Airtable. Imagine logging your weekly KPIs and then asking AI to analyze them for you. You could run a prompt like, "Compare this week versus last week. What's improved? What needs attention?" The best part: Airtable fields can feed this AI prompt automatically, giving you instant insights without the manual number crunching. Hack 4 is all about transforming messy meeting notes into actionable tasks. We've all been there. You leave a meeting with pages of scribbles, and turning that into a to-do list feels like a chore. Well, not anymore. Paste those notes into an AI field and ask it to turn these into action items with assigned owners. Copy the output into Airtable records, and voila! Clean, organized tasks in seconds. For hack 5, we're tackling feedback summarization. If you've ever had to wade through long comments or survey responses, you'll love this one. Paste that text into an AI block and ask it to summarize positives and concerns. Use the results to tag or categorize records in Airtable. It's like having a team of analysts working for you around the clock. Let's move on to hack 6, custom progress bars and views. This one's a visual treat. Use formula fields to calculate completion percentages, then add progress bar visuals to make it pop. Create assignee views that filter by owner and status. At a glance, you'll see what's on track and what's stuck. It's project management eye candy that actually boosts productivity. Hack 7 is all about follow-up and team coordination. Build a follow-up view that shows you overdue tasks or items pending review. Use filters like due date and status to keep everything in check. This makes checking in with your team a breeze and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Now for hack 8, dashboards and interfaces. Airtable's interface tool lets you build dashboards without writing a single line of code. And with AI, it's even easier. Just tell it, "Show me all tasks due this week," and watch as it builds the interface for you. It's like having a personal data visualization expert on call. Hack 9 is about integration with other apps. Connect Airtable with Google Calendar, Slack, Zendesk, and more. The real magic happens when you use AI-triggered automations across these platforms. Imagine an AI that not only recognizes important emails, but also creates tasks in Airtable and schedules follow-ups in your calendar. That's the power of integrated AI workflows. For our final hack, number 10, we're talking about templates that work. Airtable offers a ton of pre-built templates for things like project tracking, CRM, and onboarding. But here's the twist: use AI prompts to customize these templates to your exact needs. You'll save hours on setup time and end up with a perfectly tailored system. Let's bring this all together with a real use case example. Picture a small team using Airtable to log tasks. AI summarizes client feedback, automations update dashboards, and Slack pings keep everyone in the loop. The result? Meeting prep time cut in half, and a team that's always on the same page. Now, I know we've covered a lot of ground here, so let's do a quick recap of some key terms. We've talked about AI productivity hacks, Airtable automations, Airtable AI workflows, and Airtable dashboards. These are the building blocks of a supercharged productivity system. So, what are you waiting for? Pop into Airtable right now and test out one of these hacks. I promise you'll be building something amazing in minutes. And trust me, once you start, you won't want to stop. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what workflow you want to see automated next. And if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more What's Next AI workflow guides. We're just getting started. Speaking of which, stay tuned for our next video where we'll be diving into AI hacks for team scaling. It's going to be a game changer for growing businesses. Remember, the future of productivity is here, and it's powered by AI. So get out there, start experimenting, and watch your efficiency soar. Until next time, this is What's Next, signing off. Keep innovating, and we'll see you in the next one.